Okay, run chart in Minitab. We have our run chart.mtw data file. This data file has two different companies, company A and company B, and each company has 24 data points, each data point representing the stock price over the last 24 months. So the closing stock price for the period ended for each month. And with this exercise, what we're trying to accomplish is we want to put the data in a run chart. And what a run chart provides for us is the ability to see performance over time or data over time. And so with stock prices, it is a time-based thing that we want to see how stock prices are performing over time. So we will put company A and company B in a run chart, take a look at what that looks like, and then go from there. So we'll start with stat quality tools, run chart. And for single column, we're going to put company A. For subgroup size, we're going to say 1. We're going to leave this plot subgroup means. And I believe we can check options here. No, don't need to title it. I'm going to say OK. All right, there's our run chart. I'm going to blow this thing up so you can see it better. That's our run chart of company A over time. And you can see there is a distinct and very definitive trend upwards from the very first data point to the very last. So that is that's a very definitive upward trend. So we could put a fitted line in there and it'd be pretty tight. Let's try to take a look at company B. So before I do that, in Minitab, if I haven't mentioned this already, and I may in other videos, but in Minitab, if you want to open the last dialog box that you just had open, this little white dialog here, this little box, is going to give you that ability. If you click on that, it's going to open the last dialog box you had open. So for us, that was the run chart. And now I'm just going to switch company A and company B. So I double click company B. Still subgroup size of 1. Still plotting the subgroup means. Say OK. Make this bigger. And oh, won't you look at that. So company B is doing the same thing. Very definitive trend upwards. And so this is what the run chart allows you to do, is take a look at data over time. And for stock prices in two different companies in this particular exercise, we're able to compare the two and take a look at them side by side and see how they perform over time. It's for us gonna create a different question, right? What's causing that? Is it related? How are these correlated? Is there causation? Lots of questions, right? But questions for another day. This is just a run chart exercise. Now you know how to perform a run chart in Minitab. Thanks for watching.